Hi, I'm Sheen, and this is Warhammer Underworlds Direchasm binding, Ailenn the Mind's Edge, and today will be probably the last part, because all we have to do to bind is her face, leaves, rocks, ground, and wheat, and it will be all. Yes, I think we'll start from face. So to this I will take contrast paint Gulliman Flash and my medium base brush. Okay. Now meanwhile we can paint, for example, ground, because it will be later easier for paint rocks. So I'm taking layer Gortor brown. Okay. Let's take base Mechanicum Standard Gray. And let's paint rocks. To be honest, we'll take her off. It now will be easier. Okay. Now I can take Wax Flash and base coat leaves. Now let's wait for the dry of this, and meanwhile we can take her and take base Ailenn Sunset. Or no, sorry, not this one. Base Zandri Dust and base coat this wheat. Now let's go back to the face. Now I will use Kislev Flash layer with white scar layer, of course mix it 50-50, but I will use now a smaller layer, S layer from Citadel. Yes, and highlight her face. Now let's take a new oil and shade all rocks. Okay. Also, let's take now shade Antonia Kama shade. And this one we'll use on leaves. Now I will take 00 from Wizang and Moving Flash contrast. Now let's paint her eye. And mount. Also we can paint her ear. Okay. I'll be back to our old 50-50 mix than Kisle Flash plus White Skull and repair a little. Abaddon Black base. And again her eye. And meanwhile let's back to the base. Now we'll take Agrax Earth Shade, and base coat shading ground elements. And wheat. You can also down of rocks paint with Agrax. And okay, at the end, the last things to paint are this round. I will not do this on video, but I will paint this with Gordot Brown, without layers, without anything, just base coat around. But also we'll take Gordot Brown and mix it with water, with a lot of water. This must be something like shade. And oh, even it's still too much. And bottom parts of rocks let's paint with this mix. This will create an effect of watering. Yeah, okay. Yeah, and now I'm just showing you how I would find a base, a round base. Yeah, and now I wait till it dry around it. Oh, and yes, we can also already push her down. Okay, me and my luck. When I wanted to push the tree, I just broke it. I will glue this, but because I'm already late with publishing of this video, so I'll just leave it for now. And for better video, for better photos, I invite you on my Instagram. You will see the final result of whole model. And for now, that's all. Thank you for watching. Bye.